Welcome to the Sound Remover game show for fun. I will ask questions about my product and questions about what you think about it. You need to know what the product is, so I will tell you. A sound remover is my invention that will help you sleep on loud nights. It is made of a MLV roll. A MLV roll is a soundproof material that is very useful. That is what will be the part that is soundproof. It wraps around your bed and blocks out all sound from outside the MLV roll. It will help you sleep if you can. First question. What is the percentage of U.S. citizens that don't get a good night's sleep? A, 20%, B, 60%, C, 40%, or D, 100%?
C, 40%.
Yay, you got it right. Second question. What does the material MLV roll stand for? A, Maylam Valley roll. B, Muffin Loves Venus roll. C, Noise Block Vinyl Barrier roll. Or D,
Keep going.
okay, Muffin Loves Venus roll.
A.
Oh no, you got it wrong. The answer was B. Third question. How will the sound remover help you? Alright. How does it feel to help to sleep with loud noise? A, great. B, terrible. C, okay. Or D, everyone is different?
B.
Oh no, you got it wrong. Again. The answer was D.
Why?
The answer was D because everyone's different. Certain people might like the noise or hate it. Everyone's opinion is different. Fourth question. How is a sound remover beneficial? A, it isn't. B, it will injure you. C, you will have a good night's sleep and won't be drowsy in the morning. Or D, it's easy to move.
Ooh. D.
Oh, come on, guys. You can do better than that. The answer was C. Since Gian was the only one who got it right, she gets $1 million. Okay, that concludes the game show of the day. Thank you, Gianna, Mads, Liza, and Alyssa for playing my game.
Yay!